You bought a 4K TV, but the picture doesn't look like 4K. Or your streaming device, gaming console, or PC only shows 1080p. In this guide, we'll cover the most common reasons your 4K TV is not showing 4K and how to fix them. Step 1. Check the content. Not all content is available in 4K resolution. Many cable channels, older movies, YouTube videos, and streaming titles are still limited to 720p or 1080p. Even though your TV can upscale lower resolution content, it will not look the same as native 4K. Check the video information or streaming app details to confirm the content is labeled as 4K, UHD, Ultra HD, HDR, or Dolby Vision. Step 2. Check your streaming plan. Many streaming services require a premium subscription before they allow 4K streaming. If your account only supports HD streaming, the service will automatically limit video quality regardless of your TV's capabilities. Review your subscription details and make sure your plan includes Ultra HD or 4K playback. Step 3. Use the correct HDMI port. Some TVs only support full 4K resolution on specific HDMI ports. Certain ports may be limited to lower bandwidth or older HDMI standards that cannot handle 4K signals properly. Check your TV manual or the labels next to the HDMI ports and connect your device to a port specifically designed for 4K or HDMI 2.0 and above. Step 4. Replace the HDMI cable. Older or low-quality HDMI cables can cause resolution limitations and prevent a stable 4K signal. For 4K at 60 Hz, use a high-speed HDMI cable. For advanced features such as 4K at 120 Hz, use an ultra-high-speed HDMI cable. Replacing an outdated cable often restores missing 4K options immediately. Step 5. Enable enhanced HDMI settings. Many modern TVs require users to manually enable enhanced HDMI features before accepting a full 4K signal. Depending on the brand, this setting may be called HDMI UHD Color, Input Signal Plus, Enhanced Format, or something similar. Open your TV settings and enable the enhanced mode for the HDMI input connected to your device. Step 6. Check the output resolution. A streaming device, game console, Blu-ray player, or computer may be set to output 1080p instead of 4K. Open the display settings on the connected device and verify that the resolution is set to 3840 by 2160. If 4K is not available as an option, the device may not be detecting a compatible 4K connection. Step 7. Check your internet connection. Streaming 4K content requires a fast and stable internet connection. Most services recommend at least 25 megabits per second download speed for consistent Ultra HD playback. If your connection is too slow, the streaming service may automatically reduce video quality to HD or lower resolutions to avoid buffering. Step 8. Update your TV and device's software. Bugs and compatibility issues can sometimes interfere with 4K playback. Check for firmware updates on your TV, streaming device, gaming console, or media player. Installing the latest updates can resolve display problems, improve HDMI compatibility, and restore missing 4K features.